Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. Our group is named FlashBack, and we have built an interactive map based upon the city of Vancouver, BC. This page is dedicated to introduce each team member and describe with a little bit of detail their overall contribution with regards to the final project. The purpose of our multimedia project is to get tourists and people visiting the new city excited to explore Vancouver. By providing users with a fun, interactive interface that has many different options at each location, we hope to excite new tourists and provide them with an alternative research method to explore the city of Vancouver. The interactive map of Vancouver and the locations will be created using different Adobe products. Based on the storyboard, the user will first be provided with an overview map of Vancouver. Each area of the map provides a different interactive user experience. The primary audience would be families planning a vacation. Target users may also include local residents or local businesses, and they could be using this product for the purpose of advertisements. On this page, we have provided a general preview of what the locations look like. Starting at the top left, you can see the appearance of the seawall. Then moving across, we move to Science World. On the bottom left, you see BC Place, followed by Stanley Park. These locations are all accessible from the overall map, which can be seen right here. As you can see, this is the overall view of our map. The overall view has 4 different locations attached to it, and as stated previously, each of these 4 locations offer different user experiences. The first area that we are going to explore is the area I have created, Science World. When you arrive at my location, I tried to make it as visually appealing as possible. I took original images and pictures when I visited Vancouver. I photoshopped these images and added a cool background and text layer to give off this unique appearance. By clicking on one of the buttons at the top, you will get prompted a new model window. Here I have selected the option to view some facts about Science World. Now we can navigate to the gallery. The gallery provides original photos taken from me, again when I visited Vancouver. By navigating through the gallery, you can view different images. Back, forth, and using this exit button, you can close the gallery. Let's go back home. Now let's explore what Fahad has been working on at BC Place.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Fahad speaking. I'll be talking about the BC Place, the assigned location for me on the Vancouver map. So as you can see, I've implemented 4 functionalities. We got number 1, which is fact, number 2, which is gallery, and the third video, and lastly we have the game. You can click on the buttons for above the model, which pops up the model window showing the contents of each of the functionalities. When you click on the fact button, you can see the fact about BC Place and with the image. When you click on the gallery, you can scroll through the images, all which were taken from open source and edited in Photoshop myself. And then you have a short 30-second video showing all around the BC Place created in Premiere Pro. Lastly, I have a game. So for the video, I created the character using Adobe Illustrator by piecing together different shapes. I was able to create a vector image, which can be seen when you view the cartoon character in the opening scene of the game. A lot of time was spent touching up the images in the game used across all the different frames. A lot of time also was spent on getting the accurate score for the game for the user to see after the game is complete. But overall, the game looks good and all my functionalities are working. I think the most difficult part about creating the game was to integrate it into my area. This caused me to redefine the timeline, the game, along with editing the action script, so the game would jump to the proper frame like I had it working before. This gives you an idea of how, shows you an example of how difficult it was to integrate the overall project, accomplished by me and Adam.
Hello everyone, welcome to Seawall Vancouver. This is the part I have worked with my team FlashBack. So today I will show how or what are the features for this part. So the first part is basically we can see 4 buttons on the top: home, facts, game, video, and this is the home page. By clicking the facts, it takes you a brief description of what Seawall is all about, the text descriptions. Then there's an X close button on the right top, so you can close it, goes to the same. And when you hit the game, it takes you to the game where you see the monster Bubsy. On the left side, you'll see the instructions how to play the game. When you're ready, once read, you can hit the right arrow to start the game. So this is a click, drag and drop game where you can drag the objects around the screen. The basic idea is to feed the monster by placing the object next to the monster's mouth. On the top left corner, you hit the eat button and the monster eats. You can either move the monster by using the panels on the left bottom side. You can make sure the monster reaches and hit the eat button, and there you go. It's a simple game, really interactive, and you can hit exit button on the left top corner.
Hi there, I'll be explaining my part on the Stanley Park Forest. As you can see, I got my 5 functionalities up and running. The first functionality being the facts. As you can see, I have some facts about Stanley Park right over here. And these facts are scrollable via the arrow keys over here. And the user can click on this cross button anytime to go back to the Park homepage. Then we have the gallery homepage. It's the same as the facts, but in this the user can showcase some images for Stanley Park using the arrow keys to navigate and the cross button to go back to the park homepage. Then we have a game. My game is more of a basic kind of a game. As you click on the squirrel, it tries to run around. Now it's an endless user game just to keep the user interacting with the application. Just click on the squirrel runs. Further development will include some nuts and some score counter to keep records. You can click on the cross to go back to the park homepage anytime. I also have this video homepage where we can scroll through the videos, but currently I just have one video, so scroll option is not available. We still have the cross button to go back to the homepage, and clicking on the video will launch the video stored in the file as well. The user can hide, seek, forward, play some sounds. Yeah. And see some more options, like they can even download the video if they want to. And they can go full screen as well. The home functionality would be integrated by my teammate Fahad and Adam, as this would lead the user out of the park homepage to the main application of the map homepage. Thank you for my part.